Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Chrysler Pacifica battery. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always wear protective gloves and safety glasses to prevent injury. You will need a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a 6 to 9-inch extension. Make sure your Pacifica is turned off and the parking brake is firmly set for a safe working environment. Now, let's find your battery. It's usually located under the hood, on the right side of the engine compartment, often beneath an air intake duct. Carefully remove this duct by pulling it up and out. Next, using your 10mm socket, loosen and remove the negative battery cable, then do the same for the positive cable. Remember to keep the disconnected cables away from the battery terminals. With the cables disconnected, you might need to unclip a few additional wires or a power distribution board from the positive terminal. Then, locate the hold-down clamp at the battery's base and remove its bolt using your extension and socket. Now, carefully lift the old battery out. Be aware, it's heavy, weighing around 40 to 50 pounds. Take a moment to clean the battery tray and terminal connectors. It's time for the new battery. Carefully lower it into the tray, ensuring it sits flush. Reinstall the hold-down clamp and tighten it firmly to prevent movement. Next, connect the positive battery cable first, followed by the negative cable, tightening both securely. Finally, reattach the air intake duct. Double-check all connections, and your Pacifica should be ready to start with its fresh power source.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.